How to remove the Renault Megane Convertible 2010 to 2016 door mirror. Starting off with the inner door mirror cover, we'll need to remove. We're going to first remove all of these covers where the door open handle is, and then there's another cover where the door pull handle is. And to the side, there is two covers. I forgot to record the second one, but there's two of these with torque screws underneath. These door panels actually come off half, top piece and bottom piece. Remove these torque screws. I believe they were T30, these big ones. Make sure they're off completely. Don't let them even stay there. Remove this torque screw to the top over here, and then the torque screw to the sides. And then with this top piece, what you do is detach it from the window sill, and you'll need to pull it upwards. So pull it off from the window sill, because to actually put this in place, it slots down, and I'll show you shortly. And then pull it upwards. Here is the top piece. As you can see, they slot down. And then this, the inner door mirror cover, these slotting down pieces. And this is how you remove the top piece for the door panel. Now for the mirror itself, you'll need to unplug. This is why we need to remove the top piece of the door panel. And then that cover over here, that one there, you'll need to pull it off. Sorry for the recording, but that needs to be pulled off. And there's only one 13mm nut that holds the door mirror in place. So while you're taking it off, just hold the door mirror, replace it, that sort of thing. And you can remove the door mirror. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And if you do want to support the channel more, you can always send a super thanks by clicking onto the button underneath the video. Any amount, even the bare minimum, is much appreciated.